Welcome, this is the OPPO Reno 80 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So this is the place for our device. Let's just check what we got here in our box. So this is the just charger brick, the original charger brick. The next accessories, this is the USB Type-C cable. And let's check what we got here in this paper box. So let's just open it. And here we can find the quick start guide, safety guide, with the warranty card inside. And also we got here this SIM jack tool. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.